Hello and welcome back to tazwells12, you again on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12. I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a haul from Aldi and ASDA. There's quite a few things in this haul. As we go along, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is I am not sponsored by Aldi or ASDA or any of the brands that I do show you in these hauls. It is out of my own money and this is just an advice video for you guys. If you are new and this is your first time watching me, then hello, and you can join the tazwells12 YouTube journey, which is by clicking the subscribe button. Also, you can join the little love family like a lot of other subscribers have done. You can then join us on more content as we go further into the future. If you do like the video or do like any of the products, and also this will help me out, then give it a massive thumbs up, because like I said, it helps me out on the video. I know what you guys like as videos and like watching. On my main page of YouTube there is a clickable link for Instagram and Twitter, so if you can check them out too, please follow, like, whatever you would like to do. The last thing is that you can comment down below onto the video. I'm 100% happy to comment back to you guys and have a little conversation. I think that's everything. Let's go into the ASDA and Aldi haul. The first one we're going to start with is ASDA. For ASDA, I actually haven't got the receipt, but I've only got 2 items and I probably can tell you the price off by heart. First item is this. So these are pretty much home items or cooking items or kitchen items. So this is the first one from George Home, the cooling rack. It's dishwasher safe. You can discover more at george.com, and this was only £2 and I thought that was a really good price for this. So basically at the moment I have been cooking a lot of cakes, a lot of fairy cakes, and these come handy when you've done the little sponge cake and then you need somewhere to cool them. So basically you just put this on the side and then place your cakes on here, and then they can cool as they like out of the tin. It's just a lot more easier and they can cool down a lot quicker for you to put the icing in. This was great. So this was only £2, which I thought was really good. We tried to find these before in ASDA, but they must have like ran out because everyone is doing baking and cooking. They wanted these, so for that price I can see why they have. But yeah, it's just this metal sort of design in this sort of rectangle, and then on the bottom you get these little 4 little feet just so it pops on the side. But yeah, I felt that was really good for £2. The next item is, I had been eyeing these up a couple of times when we were going in there and I thought they were quite good for their price. So these are from the George Home again, the 2 chopping boards. It includes a 34 x 24 centimetre and a 29 x 19.5 centimetre. So you get 2 chopping boards in here. They're dishwasher safe, which is always great because people want to know that. It's not always you remember that, but it's good to know, if that makes sense. So these have just come in this like bigger chopping board and this smaller one, and these were at the price of £4, which I thought was great because that means they're like £2 each, which I think is really great pricing. And I also liked the design on them. So they've got like this dark grey, like charcoal grey, and then they've got little speckles of like white and a sort of silver light grey in them, and I thought these are right up my street. It's probably better to see like that, but yeah, I thought these were really nice. They've got a handle on the top on both of them. Again, sturdy, do not feel like they're going to break, and they look really nice and actually a lot more expensive than the £4 than they were. The next place we're going to go on to is Aldi. You've probably seen in a previous haul that I did for Aldi that I actually bought this conditioner, And this conditioner is amazing. It was worth the buy and worth the price. So this is the LACURA Hair Care for You Improved New Formulation Dry Damaged Hair Moisture Condition with macadamia nut oil from Australia. And literally there's 300 ml in this bottle, so that's what it looks like. Honestly, this smells really, really nice. I've been using it since I bought the last one. Really makes your hair really soft, gives you that moisture that you need, and it is only 99 pence, and it just smells insane, and that smell is so strong that it leaves in your hair. So that was a conditioner, and that is my verdict on that. So if you ever see that, please do get them. Because I loved it so much, I thought I would go for the shampoo too. This is the same price of 99p, and it's just for dry hair with the macadamia nut oil from Australia. Massage a small amount of shampoo onto the wet hair and the scalp and rinse through. For best results, follow up with a moisture conditioner. I've got the Aussie one at the moment, but you know what, because I was loving the conditioner so much and the Aussie one is a little bit expensive, I thought I'd go for the shampoo too and see what they're both like as a combined thing. It's great if your hair is really dry, because mine was, and this is give the moisture back so much into my hair. This is the last item from Aldi, and it is some Minky Sponges. I saw these off the off chance, to be honest, when I was going around. I always look at the special buys, always look at the little extras they have. They're really good with stuff like this. But I would only go through one of these. These are the Minky Super Absorbent 2 Soak Ups. They wipe away all spills, antibacterial, stay fresher for longer. And what's it say on the back? So the Minky Soak Ups are super absorbent and can hold up to 10 times their own weight in water. They're extremely durable, long lasting and safe to use on all types of surface, making them perfect for wiping, dusting, cleaning, mopping up spillages around the home. Longer lasting performance, say goodbye to the unpleasant smelling cloths. Really great. These were originally 99p, but they had gone down to 69 pence, so I thought, you know what, it's a little bit of a saving. I wouldn't have normally picked them up, because they went down to 69 pence. I thought, you know what, let's try them and see what they go. So that's why I picked both of them up. So they were kind of a little random buy, but also a bargain at the same time, which I thought was really good for 69 pence, because I've bought some Minky stuff, and Minky is really good brand. This has unfortunately come to the end of the ASDA and Aldi haul. I hope that you did like the video. If you did, like I said at the beginning of this video, definitely put your thumbs up, because then I know you like it and I can do more of this content. I do a lot of hauls on this channel as we go along anyway. Also, I am not sponsored by any of the brands, any that I showed you, any from Aldi or ASDA. This is all out of my own money. It's if I can save some money, or there's a bargain going on, or there's something that we need, then this is just a advice video to you guys. So I am not sponsored. Like I said, if you are new here, then please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and joining the little love family and my Tazwells YouTube journey as we go along. Just want to say, if you are an existing subscriber, thank you very much for supporting me and subscribing. It means an absolute lot to me. And also, like I said, you can comment down below on the bottom of the video and we can have a little conversation. Say that you bought any of these items, you've tried something else from Aldi or ASDA and you think it's really good. A recommendation would be absolutely great. Yeah, I think that's everything, and I hope that you liked it, and thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you all later. Bye.